Taran.
I'm up inside of the night, tangled up with Jesus. I'm inside and outside, side by side with God. I'm alright, I'm upright, living right with Jesus. I'm not upside up, tangled up with inside, outside, side by side. I'm alright, upright, living right with God.
Okay, salamat sa ating kuya.